Hi, this is Devin Hobb with RE/MAX, and we are in Provo today in the Westgate Townhome community. This is one of my favorite communities. There's the Provo River walking trail about 2 minutes away, and there's a private entrance for this community to it. So you could go down to the lake, alongside the river, or up towards the mountains into Provo Canyon. There's also a private little stream in the backyard of this townhome. And these townhomes do have little gated fenced backyards for small pets if you have one, and that makes that unique. I'm going to take you on a tour inside. It's been completely redone, and we'll go from there. Okay, so this has been family owned for a good length of time. I can't remember exactly how many years, but recently they just went ahead and did a full remodel on it. So all new paint, new carpet, upgraded padding so it's really plush, new blinds, new light fixtures. There's 3 fan/light fixtures that they've installed, and these remotes will turn on and off the lights. This little walking figure here is pretty cool. It will turn it on for 1 minute. So like if you're just entering the room real quick, you could hit the little walking button and it'll shut off behind you a minute later. So that's kind of a nice feature. And there's a half bath here, and in here they have a new cultured marble countertop, modern black fixtures for the lighting and the faucet, and then there is about a 4-foot tall crawl space underneath the whole floor plan of this townhome. So down here there is access for more storage, a lot more storage. This is your utility closet. It has the furnace, AC, and the water heater. Right here we've got brand new Samsung washer dryers that are included. And then in the kitchen, all the appliances are stainless steel and they're included. This fridge is brand new, the dishwasher's brand new, the stove and microwave are a couple years old. We've got a nice new faucet here as well. And then we'll check out the backyard. So here in the backyard, this is a cherry tree and it has been organically maintained. You also have this beautiful grass that's been freshly redone. Then on the other side here, there is this really nice stream. So just right back here, you've got your own stream to sit out and look over. So it's a beautiful community. Here's a little storage shed. So you've got that included as well. And some more right here, little storage shelves. I'll take you upstairs where the 2 bedrooms are at. All right, so up here we've got bedroom number 1. We've got the nice light fixture again with the separate remote mounted on the wall. We do have beautiful views out this window of Mount Timpanogos. And then here's the closet. Now the paint has been redone. It's a 3-tone paint throughout this whole townhome. All the ceilings, walls, baseboard trims have all been redone, down to the doors. Even these doors here and the shelves inside the closets, everything's freshened up with new paint. We've got a linen closet here, and then this bathroom serves the hall and connects over here to the master. So in here we've got cultured marble countertops. We have the double sinks as well as these modern light fixtures. They did spend a little extra for these vintage style light bulbs, the Edison bulbs. They're really neat. And a few years ago the tile work was done in here and they upgraded the shower and the floor. And then it kind of comes over here into the master. So the master does have access to that bathroom privately. So this one's the master, has the nice upgraded fixture, and here's your closet space as well. I hope you enjoyed watching that video tour and got a good feel for the layout of this townhome as well as some of the features of it. If you'd like to come and see it in person, feel free to reach out to me or the agent you're already working with and come and see this home. Thanks for watching.